Hello everyone, I'm Gerardo and this is Science and Invention. Today we're exploring how science and invention are transforming sustainable construction. It's more than just buildings, it's about creating a better future for our planet. Traditional construction has a significant environmental footprint, but thanks to incredible advancement, we are now developing smarter and greener buildings that truly harmonize with nature. Let's dive in. Before we talk about solutions, we need to understand the main problem. Traditional construction uses a huge amount of planet-limited resource. We take natural material from the earth, use a lot of energy, and release large amount of CO2 throughout a building entire life cycle. On top of that, this process creates a lot of waste. Much of it ends up in landfills, making our environmental problem even worse. So, this take, make, and throw away model is no longer sustainable. We can't keep using resources and polluting the way we have in the past. That's why a big change in how we build is not just important, it's necessary. This is where science and innovative ideas become essential. They're helping us move away from old methods and guiding us toward a circular economy in construction. In this new approach, the main goals are to use resources wisely and produce as little waste as possible. So, one of the biggest problems change in construction comes from the material. Today, we can build using natural fiber like hemp and bamboo, and even bioplastic made from living organisms. This reduces the need for traditional harmful materials. There are also self-healing materials, like concrete with bacteria that can fix itself, which means less maintenance and less waste. And even traditional materials like adobe and straw are being used again, but with modern techniques offering great insulation and sound control. These innovations are transforming the very foundation of how and what we build with. Beyond the material, science is revolutionizing how buildings consume and produce energy. The goal is net zero buildings, a structure that can have produced as much energy as they consume. We're seeing widespread adoption of solar panels like this, and geothermal systems and smart facades that adapt to the weather. Green roof and vertical garden like this aren't just beautiful, they insulate, manage rainwater, and improve air quality. Plus, advanced water recycling systems are making building far more efficient. It's about turning building into active participant in energy generation, not just consumer. In another hand, techniques like modular construction are changing the industry totally. Instead of building everything on site, components are now made in controller environment and assembled later. This reduces waste, improves quality, and speeds up the entire process. To ensure the process stay on track, certification like LEED and BRIM help guide projects toward better environmental practice. They serve as useful tools to promote accountability and greener construction. A growing recognition that sustainability is not longer optional. The buildings we create today must serve not only our current needs, but also protect the future of our planet. Construction has a major role in global emission, resource consumption, and waste. That means it also holds the power to make a real difference, a big real. By adopting sustainable methods, using smarter materials, and designing with environmental mind, we're creating spaces that are healthier, more efficient, and more respectful of nature. This is more than a trend, it's necessary transformation. And as engineers, architects, and builders, we have the responsibility and the opportunity to lead it. Thanks for watching.